Hi, in this video lecture, we will discuss about singleton pattern. Singleton is a type of creational pattern and its primary goal is to ensure a class has only one instance and provide a global point of access. We describe that a way to create an object. It is a powerful technique but also a simplest example of design pattern. In a singleton pattern, class has only one object. This might be desirable in order to circumvent conflicts or inconsistencies by keeping clear that which object the program should draw from. For example, we have a print queue for your printer, for a software driver, for device driver to initiate an object to call the desired processes. If there are multiple instances, it can be confusing for the program output that which program output that to display. So how we implement that pattern? Its simple story is that to make constructor of that class private. It means that hiding the class constructor from public view. Nobody else from the other classes can access that constructor, and it disables the ability for others to create new instances of the class. Nobody from the outside of the class cannot create the instance of that class. So for that we do lazy initialization of that object, that we create a static method that has return type object of that class. Mean whatever the name of that class, it has the same type of that class to return type of that method. So we have a method of that return the instance of that class which has the return type of that class. So by doing this, we cannot initiate another instance of that class from any side from outside the class. So here's the simple code example that we have a class singleton and it is a protected singleton constructor. So protected or a private, you can declare whatever you want. And we have a method called getInstance that has the same return type of that class type. So if the simple implementation logic is that if the instance is null, so it simply create a new instance of that class, so calling the constructor of that class and return the instance of that class. And we declare initially the instance of that class null. So by doing this, we have only one only one object of the class, and the primary goal that we saw that it has a global point of access. You can only calling the singleton pattern by the getInstance method, because the getInstance method is a public, so we cannot intervene the constructor of that class, but we can access the getAccess method, and that has only one initialized value of that object. So we will see a practical example of that singleton pattern in the next video. So keep watching our lecture series. Thank you.